Right, carrying on exactly where I left off in the last video with the giant onions. Today is actually the day that we need to get stuff to the Anglesey Show, and I thought I'd bring you along for the journey, have a look, see what goes on with setting things up. Like I say, we don't have too much to take there, so we should be able to get a little bit of time to have a walk around and a look at everything else before the show actually opens, and give everyone a bit of an idea what it's all about. So we do have the two heaviest onions out in the front ready to go. I've got a few other bits out in the front ready to go. We'll have a look at them as we go. I've picked the nicest bunch of my bigger onions, and there, ready to go. We've got a few of the elephant garlic, some of the smaller onions. We've got red onions in the front as well. We'll go and have a look at those, but we'll get these out to the front garden now. So I'm going to be taking this one. Lives in the kitchen usually. Had it about 6 or 7 years now. Hopefully it doesn't fall over during transport. But we've got a few extra bits there, because the other two on the list are baskets of garden vegetables and a basket of garden produce. So same thing really. So we've got those to go, that to go. I need to pick a rake of the cherry tomatoes off here for the basket. I'll do that just before I go. Other than that, there's not really much else I can take from in here. We've got these bits in here to add to the baskets as well. Collection of 6. We're not going to be able to do that one because I don't have parsnips or the carrots for it. 4 white potato, got those. 4 coloured potato, got those. Heavy potato, got that. Dish of 3 varieties, got that. 3 stump carrot, don't think I'm going to be able to do that one because I don't have 3 stump carrots. And the heavy onion, which is between these two. This one is heavier, but it doesn't look as good as that one. So depending on what's up when we get there, I'll decide which one of those is going on. But we do have a load of other stuff in the shed out the sunlight. We've got there's 2 missing off here. We've got a wonky vegetable, which I am using the heavy parsnip for, and then there's any other vegetable that's missing as well, but I'm just going to use one of the onions for that. So we've got a basket here full of bits and bobs, and another basket underneath full of stuff there to go as well, but I'm keeping them in the shed out the sunlight for now, just so they don't wilt and dry out. So other than those bits, there's not much else I can really take with me. So what I'll do is I'll just keep walking around for the next hour or two, and if I see anything that I can add to the baskets, I'll just pick it and put it in. So next you'll see will be everything in the van, and then we'll probably be at the showground.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. is, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that.
Right, well, that is all our bits and bobs in. Surprising how much you can get when you haven't really grown much. I was quite surprised with those harvest baskets of how full they actually were, but just goes to show you don't need to grow an awful lot to get an awful lot. Can't really get round anywhere else on the showground, it's all closed up and fenced off. It's getting a bit late, they are getting rid of people out of here now. Not many entries at all in the vegetables section in that, which is a shame really, because there is a lot of good growers around here, especially on the island, and it's a shame that more of them don't take part in little things like this. Right then guys, so as you can see we are back from the show. The show was the Anglesey Show, in case you hadn't already worked that one out. Unfortunately I didn't get a chance to walk around with the camera and get a load of videos and pictures like I would have liked to. It was just too hot. We had the dog with us and both boys, and it was just too hot, very busy. Just didn't get a chance to get the phone out and take many photos or anything like that. But as you can see, we did get some results. Got a couple of placements, a few first places, a couple of seconds and a couple of thirds. And we did get the best in show for the harvest basket. and we got the Gareth Evans Challenge Cup for the heaviest onion. So nice to actually get something for a change, and it was nice to see other people competing in it as well. Again, there's not many people that do it because there is another show that falls on the same week, so a lot of people don't enter this one to enter that one. But hopefully things start to pick up. I am going to try and get a lot more stuff in next year. Unfortunately, this year we didn't have much growing, but we still came away with a few first places, and really happy with that. So just like to say massive thank you to everyone for watching, and if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. And if you want to know how I grow these onions, there is a playlist on my channel with all just videos related to onions, giant onions, harvesting, from showing the seeds, grow lights, no lights. We've done quite a lot of different ways of growing onions, and hopefully we keep getting bigger. So till next time, bye for now.